Hello guys, welcome back to Soft Original, and we are going to learn how to create an Android app in App Inventor. Yeah, so some people work online, and on this particular tutorial is the introduction of creating the or learning the app development in App Inventor. So getting started, we will see, or we will get to know where to download the offline application or the offline software. So I have already downloaded that, and then the link is in the description below. You can click on that so that you can visit the site and download it. That is the portable version. So this is it. You can see that we have the AI2U here, right here. Everything is here. When you extract it, you get about one point something gigabyte space. That will be the size it will take. So this is the images, and then the AI2U, that is the main file you need to get. So let's double click on that. Now this will open, right? This will open. Now you need to start all AI2U servers. So start it. You see that it will just blink like that, and then you start the starter as well, and then you click on start event. So it will just automatically direct you to your browser, and I'm using Google Chrome, and I have used that Google Chrome as my default browser on my computer. So that will be the one it will just direct me to. So this is what will happen, right guys? This is what will happen. So welcome to App Inventor. Email, and then the password, and then we have the login here. Set or recover password. Click here to use your account. Click here to use your Google account to log in, and then the language is here, English. And then we have the App Inventor logo here, and they are sponsored and other stuff. So let's click here to use your Google account to log in. So click that. Now you see that not logged in, your email. So type your email here. That is I'm typing my email here, right here, and then sign in as administrator, right? Then you log in. So as soon as you log in, you will see that it will open up for you, so that you can start to invent. So the link to the software, or the link to the application, is in the description below. Now this is one of my projects that I'm doing, and yeah, so let's go back. This is what you get. Now you can click on start new project, and then you can say this is test 1. So yeah, that is it. This is the test 1. Now it will open up for you. Now you can go ahead and then add some buttons, some checkboxes, some daytime picker, some images, some labels, some list view, and other things. So you can decide to work along with the properties here, and then the other stuff. So guys, thank you for watching this tutorial, and this is the beginning, or the introduction of the App Inventor tutorials. So on our next lesson, we are going to see how to work along, how to grind through all these things, so that we can move ahead and then do another thing. So that will be the interface, working along with the interface to know what tool you should use, or to know what object, or hot hot object or other thing you can use, or hot controls you can use for your app development. So guys, see you on my next lesson. Bye bye.